Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you do enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. On the screen are today's shoutouts. Thank you guys so much for your comments and your support. If you also want a shoutout, all you have to do is subscribe, turn notifications on, and comment down below #ChillVacationSquad once you've done that. In today's video, I'll be trying the Charli Drink from Dunkin Donuts. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Right now, we're gonna go to Dunkin Donuts and we're gonna get the Charli Drink. So yeah, see you guys once we're at Dunkin. Guys, I'm right here at Dunkin Donuts, so now we're gonna go in. Since this Dunkin Donuts doesn't have a drive-thru, I'm gonna need my mask. Now we're inside Dunkin Donuts and now I'm gonna order the Charli Drink. I would like to order the Charli Drink. Sure, what size? Small. Guys, there's a picture of Charli holding the drink on the screen. So here's the drink, and now I'm just gonna get a straw, and then we're gonna try it. Guys, we got the Charli Drink, so now let's try it. And by the way, the drink costed $3.09. It tastes not bad, but it kind of just tastes like diluted coffee with caramel flavoring in it. I don't know if they just put not so much coffee in my drink, but I can't really taste it that much. And personally, it's a little bit too sweet for my liking. There's really nothing special about this drink, it just tastes like a caramel iced coffee. I expected the Charli Drink to have a special taste, not such a normal caramel taste that I'd get from like a everyday drink. Like if I just tried this drink without knowing that it was the Charli Drink, I would never be able to tell that it was the Charli Drink. So personally, I am a little bit disappointed. By the way, if you do want to order the Charli Drink, you can get it for $1 less by ordering just a cold brew with caramel and whole milk, and you'll get the same thing for almost $1 less. So I'm gonna rate this drink a 6 out of 10, because this drink is just okay. It's not a drink that I'd be like super excited to get again. Comment below if you guys would try the Charli Drink. Also comment if you guys have tried it and let me know your experience on this drink. So that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and it'd be super duper awesome if you'd subscribe. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.